Keep all your conversations to a minimum. You understand me? You call me when you need, all right?
Seemed nice. One night, I met a girl.
You wanna dance?
Yeah, no, I don't really dance. That was how I met Kate.
I can't do this. Like, I think when you touched my boob, that's sort of when I sort of drew the line.
Sure.
How am I gonna sell all this?
Could you just not sell it and then say that you did?
Could I also get some of those baggies, please?
You got a lot of jewelry.
Why do you think that?
That is what you put in the baggage.
No, yeah, that's why I need the baggies, is for my jewelry.
Right, for jewelry.
Yeah, oh God.